Did you plant some flower bulbs this year and you want to do something with the packaging? Or did you plant some flower seeds? Or you have some plants which you got from the grocery store and you want to do something with those labels which are stuck in the pots? Well, I will show you what I did last year with all of these kinds of things. I created my garden journal. It's so easy to do. I just used the bulb packaging. I just cut it to size, rounded the corners with a corner punch, just generating a very simple label which I glued on, and I tied everything with some string I got from a clothing label. This way I obtained something that looks like a notebook. And here's what I did inside. Usually these plastic or cardstock labels have a lot of information about what you have to do with the plant, how to care with the plant, or maybe some recipes, and they are on the reverse side, and I wanted to have both sides visible, and this is why I just glued on the top, and then I can have all the information on the reverse side. I also included in my garden journal all the new plants I got, like trees, apple trees, exactly the same way. Depending on how the text was, I just glued it on the left side to be able to open it like this, or on the top side if the text was in the other direction. And I have this way a clear journal of what I had in my garden, and I can just go through this journal and see exactly what types of fruit trees I have, which plants did make it, which did not make it so well. For example, the sweet potatoes did not produce anything for me because I just crowded everything in my small gardening lot. And there is also some space for journaling if you want to do that, or just maybe create a small sketch of how you positioned everything in your garden or on your raised bed in your balcony, for example. So there is also room for that, and I will do it this year. Last year I did not do that. I just kept things simple, and I can now see what kinds of, for example, what kind of tomatoes I planted last year, and recognize if they were amazing or not, if I liked them or not. This echinacea, for example, is coming back to life in my garden, and I'm so happy for that because it was really beautiful. This, for example, was not producing anything, this like purple pepper. I still have these beautiful strawberries, which hopefully will also produce for me this year. And that's basically everything. One thing to note, this year all the care labels were on the front side of the bulb packagings, but last year they were on the reverse side. So basically when I cut the spare part, I just glued it. You can see it here. I just glued this care label and information on the side so that I could use the reverse side for something else. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my small garden journal update or idea of what to do with all of these beautiful packagings which remain after you plant your plants. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!